What's up, you guys? This is Christian for Hustle and Bustle, and today we're going to talk about another business that I've had for a little while, and it's called Digital Signage. I call it digital advertisement, but it's not really digital advertisement, it's digital signage. The business started with, as you can see on this picture, an ATM topper, which is a thing that stays on top of the ATM. It's a monitor that stays on top of the ATM, and you can broadcast pictures or videos, which it can be ads for your business or your YouTube channel, or your videos of your business and what you do. You can put QR codes, you can put whatever you want to put, pretty much. And with that, you can charge customers. For example, you can contact Coca-Cola, you can contact McDonald's, or whoever else you want to contact and see if they want to advertise on your toppers, which either is going to be a new ad for a local company or cafeteria or restaurant or whatever, or a bar, or it's going to be for retention purposes, to increase recall. For example, everybody knows who's Coca-Cola, yet they still have advertisements. I mean, everybody knows whatever, Toyota, but they still have ads, and so on and so forth. So here is, how I started my day. Interesting thing about this specific video is it's not a ATM topper, because I figured out I don't need to have an ATM into the location to actually have a topper. I can just go and install a TV in a restaurant or cafeteria. And the video you're gonna see is about a cafeteria that I installed a TV screen. Hope you enjoy, guys. As usual, please help me support the channel. I got 73 subscribers. I would like to provide more value and help more people. And to do that, for YouTube to display that video in front of more people, I need to have more likes and more subs and more comments. I believe comments and likes are enough, but please consider subscribing if you want to learn how to create wealth without all the hype, because a lot of times on TV they show the glamour and the hype, and it's not really like that. I have not had a day off since, man, I don't even remember since when, but it's every day, day in and day out grind. So with all that said, let's roll the video, but I hope you enjoy the content, and let's start the video. So guys, I just want to bring you along for a TV installation in one cafeteria here, but I want to show you that there's always something. For example, I start to install the TV, so you need about 2 inches or whatever it is, like 1.5 inch of space. Now it turns out at the back of the wall there's a metal plate that I cannot drill through, so I cannot install the actual mount. So you're always into the business of solving problems, because I don't pay anything to the owner there, he doesn't want any payments, which is great, so it's free and I can make money out of that. Now the other thing, where the mount goes on the TV into the kit, I got 4mm, 6mm and 8mm screws, and actually the TV has 5mm screws. So I just came back from Lowe's to buy the screws, but sometimes, a lot of times, there's always small problems that you need to solve. This is how hustling in life goes. We basically solve problems on our way to happiness, or in our way to achieve what we're trying to achieve. There's always going to be hiccups, problems, and things like that. So don't let that discourage you. Just try to learn from them. Like last time, I didn't have any I forgot a lot of things. I didn't have any checklists. Now I have checklists, so I didn't forget anything, I think. Now, it took me a while to find out. Here's just a footage how I'm assembling everything. It took me a while to find out how do I broadcast anything on a TV that I want. One way, if you have a TV, not a monitor, is to plug a USB stick and upload videos and pictures on the USB, and the TV will broadcast those files. But if you have a monitor, you can. For example, the ATMs have monitors, and monitors do not get input signal from USB. They only get DVI or VGA or HDMI or DisplayPort. Finally, we stopped. Me and Mario Rosa, who's a very good, awesome person. If you're watching that video, thank you for all your help, man. We stopped at Yodec, and that's how we did it. And after I did everything, turns out, see the washers, they're different sizes. So the washer on the left, I'm going to repeat that footage again. The washer on the left actually has a wide opening, so the screws go right through it. So I had to go to Lowe's again. Okay, I'm kind of surprised I did it. Now the electricity socket is over there, and we gotta do that somehow. So that's not long enough, but I'll figure it out. Show you the final product. This is my second trip to Lowe's. I got the right screws, 5mm, and then what else did I get? That's all I got. And I jerry-rigged the other thing, the washers. But now we need an extension with 2 outlets, white, so it can blend with the wall. And we're gonna get some brackets so it can we can tuck it in there very well. You know, we're trying to be as stealth as possible. I mean, we're trying to make it look like as stealth as possible. So before you ask, let me just tell you, generally you charge whatever you think is good price, and you're gonna determine how much you wanna make out of each monitor. That can be between $30 and $70 is what I charge. I usually go 10% airtime, which is 6 minutes every hour. That's what I charge my customers. Actually turned out we do not need a bracket. I found a small gap between the wall and whatever you call that white thing above the wall. I don't know the name, but this thing. So I actually shimmied that there, and no one will ever know. And actually it worked out pretty good. Now we're connecting the Yoldec box. If you guys need more info, you can contact me and I'll give you, a price, where to get it from. I'm an affiliate for Yoldec, or Mario Rosso. You can look him up online. He has a course on that monitor, so you can get the course from him or end the box from him. But yeah, you can definitely contact me and see how I can help you with getting that set up. Now you're gonna see the scientific method how to put those cables behind that TV. Are you ready? Now, as you know, if you're Americans, that every now and then a good duct tape does the job. I'm from Eastern Europe and we don't have duct tape because we're too poor to have that, so we just use Scotch tape. So what I did is I made a loop with a Scotch tape and stuck the device on the wall with it. Now, this is by no means a permanent solution. This was just temporary because it was getting quite late. I spent there 4 hours. I've never done that before. And this is the best, tools that I had on my hands. We're going to use some double stick tape and some zip ties. I came the next day, had coffee, and used zip ties. I think I used the zip ties here. No, I didn't. I just stuck the cables in. So later on I came and did zip ties. And I mean, for now it looks good. Finally, I got it. I'm going to change the pictures later on, but finally it's working. Cool. Alright guys, that was it for today. Thank you all very much. If you liked the video, if you haven't, please smash like, consider subscribing, and leave me a comment if you have any questions or any other ideas for topics that you want me to cover. Keep hustling guys. I'll see you next time.